So my name is Mahmoud Musa and I'm from Canada and I'm a GP. I signed up for the 8-day course. It includes Botox, fillers, a lip mastery, and then a couple of days of everything. The doctors here are amazing. Even if you're nervous first couple of days, they're very, very helpful. They're not going to judge your hands. You're obviously dealing with a very specific part and very sensitive part of the face, so the needle has to be very accurate. Also, another thing is we had a lot of hands-on, like it was amazing. I think by now I've done maybe 40 or 50 cases. I also signed up for their master course. I do recommend that to everyone. I'd recommend Vilafortuny, the Derma Institute, the doctors, the patients here were amazing, the staff are amazing.